Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So today we got Snake River Farms Wagyu Picanha. Pat her dry because this is considered as the queen of all steaks, which we all know the ribeye is the king of all steaks. So let's just get under this so we can just remove the silver skin. Just run your knife right under there. Yeah, it runs all the way through. But I don't want to go too far. So we'll stop right here. Because if we go too far, then we're taking off this cap. It's going to be a good steak. It has great marbling in there. The way we're going to cut this, we're going to cut this into steaks. For this type of beef here, the grains are going this way. So because I'm going to make this as a steak, we're going to cut with the grain. And when the steak is ready, we're going to cut against the grain. Nice, good steak. Check out that marbling Wagyu Snake River Farms Picanha, the queen of all steaks. We're going to keep this very simple. So the tradition is just salt, no pepper. We're going to go ahead and season these guys up. Make sure you season both sides, like any meat. Can't wait to dig into these guys. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for these guys. All right, so I'll just put them on the rack, on the wire rack. What I'm gonna do is to put these guys in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it dry brine overnight. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna go ahead and smoke these guys. I will be using my Meter Plus for this. All right, guys, this is the next day. They were in the refrigerator for 24 hours. As you can see, all the salt went into the meat. So what it does, it pulls moisture out and then it sucks it back in. All right, let's go to the Weber. Let's fire up the grill. We're gonna go ahead and smoke these. You gotta love the Weber, guys. Every time I'm done with the cook, all I do is close all the vents and I get all this charcoal left over. It saves it all. So let's go ahead and fire this baby up. So let's put our steaks on. Something like that. Beautiful steaks, guys. Gorgeous. And then we got the 2 Scooby snacks for my dog. So the Meter Plus is telling me to take it off. It's hitting that 115 internal. I got a little bit of olive oil in there. So dip it. It's gonna flare up. But that's what we want. We want the fat to render. See that? Starting to flare up. Gotta turn them every minute or so. Ooh, it's hot. This was an extremely quick cook for sure. Man, I can't tell you, this Weber is awesome. Bomb. Let's go inside and rest these guys. We'll dig right into them. Beautiful and amazing. We got a little bit of smoke on there. Got a little bit char. Picanha. So remember when we first started, it was a full roast and we cut with the grain. Now to serve, we're gonna cut against the grain. So let's go some thin slices right here. And look at all that juice coming out. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. This is no joke. Wagyu Picanha with, from Snake River Farms. The salt, it penetrates right through the whole entire meat because we dry brined the night before. I just can't get over this, guys. #1 steak I've had. This is a queen of steaks. For me, this is the king of steaks. Now I'm just... Mmm. Mmm. This is crazy delicious. I can't get over how good this steak is. Outstanding. It's just incredible to me. Damn. And then I taste the char in there too. I taste the char from the oak wood. There we go. Look at how juicy this bad boy is. Picanha, Wagyu, bomb, bomb. I encourage you guys to go buy this or order it online. If you guys never had picanha, this is my first time trying it and damn, it's bomb. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would help my channel out. And ya sabes, smash that like button. All right, I'll catch you guys next Friday.